Tired of your WordPress emails wandering off into the great unknown? Annoyed that your customers are left wondering if their order confirmation got sucked into a black hole? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up WordPress so your emails stop ghosting your users and start landing in their inboxes where they belong. Let's get those emails back on track before they send out a missing persons report. Go to your WordPress installation. Click on Add New Plugin. Click on the Search Plugins field. Fill in WP-SMTP. Install the WP-SMTP plugin by clicking on Install Now button. Activate the plugin. After activation, click Go back to the dashboard. Log into your cPanel on your hosting provider. Access your email account settings. Initiate the new email creation process. Enter the desired email address. Proceed to enter your password field and fill in the password. Complete the creation process by clicking on the Create button. Access the management section of the created email. Click Connect Devices. Copy the email address. Go back to the WordPress installation and navigate to the WP-SMTP plugin settings. Enter the copied email address in the From Email field. Optionally enable the Force From Name toggle, which will set your blog name as the sender name for all emails going out of WordPress. Click on Other SMTP. Navigate back to the hosting account in the email settings. Copy the address of the outgoing SMTP server. Paste the server address in the SMTP host field. Enable SSL or TLS if your hosting provider supports SSL or TLS encryption. Leaving the encryption setting to none is not recommended, because your emails will be vulnerable to hacker attacks. You can check for SSL or TLS support in your hosting provider account. Copy SMTP port. Navigate back to WordPress and enter the SMTP port. Copy the email username. Enter the email username in the SMTP username field. Proceed by clicking on the password field and fill in the password you created for the email account. Save the applied settings. Access the WP-SMTP Tools section. In the Sent to field, put an email address to send a test email and verify the settings are working correctly. Initiate the email sending process. If the email account on your hosting provider side was set up correctly, the email will be sent and you will see a confirmation page. If you see an error, this means that the information provided by the hosting company is not correct and you will have to contact them for clarification. If this tutorial was useful to you, please consider subscribing for more quality guides and how-to videos. Thank you.